टीवीएस की पहली 1000+ सीसी सुपर बाइक, ये देखो। Beautiful tail.
We are part of the TVS group.
What's the price in India? Shit. Hi guys and welcome back to Bike with Girl. आज मैं आई हूँ सात समुंदर पार, which is in Sevilla, Spain, to ride the brand new Norton Manx R. पर मैंने चालू किया था वीडियो with TVS. What is the connection? भाई Norton जो है ना, that brand we all know, is actually been bought by TVS. तो ये अभी TVS का ही ब्रांड हो गया है. And therefore, this is literally TVS's first 1000cc super bike यार. Actually 1200cc super bike, क्योंकि ये जो engine आप देख रहे हो, it's a V4 1200cc and it makes 206 horsepower and 130 Nm of torque. And believe it or not, ये engine इंडिया में assemble होता है at TVS's high-tech facility. And then it's shipped to the UK, where the rest of the bike is manufactured by Norton. इसका जो main aspect है, which I think really pops with this motorcycle, is that it's not meant to really be a super bike. It's meant to actually have that kind of power and torque that you can use anywhere. Okay, let's start her up. Okay, so I'm back after riding the new Norton Manx R at the track for quite a lot of time. I love how the power and torque come through really seamlessly and you don't have to like really go all the way up there. 5000 RPM में ही आपका 77% torque आ जाता है, which I think is very, very usable. Now, if you buy a bike like this, it's very difficult to actually be able to open it up on the streets when you're out riding with your friends. Saturday, Sunday rides जो आप करते हो, still very difficult, especially in a country like ours, क्योंकि वहाँ पे आपको क्या मिलेगा आगे से, you don't know, so you can't like gun. But again, then when 77% of your torque is coming in at 5000 RPM, then you can really feel it. And that's really very interesting. And that torque is highest in segment, yaar. That V4 engine sounds mental. Better than any of the V4s in the market right now, I think. इसके brakes बहुत ही impressive हैं. It's wearing Brembos and I was actually coming down the straight super fast and I was told by my instructor that brake before the third marker, brake late. I completely forgot that. I kept going and it's like gunning. I'm like shit. And I just slammed the brakes and I didn't feel like shit, I'm going to let go of the bike now, something bad's going to happen. Because I was immediately able to take C1 very nicely. And that's where I say the brakes are really good. Very capable. अभी इसकी seat height और riding position की बात करते हैं. This is how you will be riding this bike, like this. Not so committed all the time, but on the track for sure. Or like this. Very R15-esque in IRL. And yeah, my height is 5.5. This is me getting it off the stand. Okay. The weight of this bike is over 200 kgs. Do you remember the weight of this bike? Nobody knows the weight of the bike essentially, but it's 200 plus. And yeah, I mean, these bikes are heavyish, but that doesn't make it difficult to handle. So इसका जो weight है 207 है, but I really don't feel the weight so much because of those yummy carbon fiber wheels, I think. What it will be on regular wheels though, we'll have to see. But at the same time, it's very, very capable. It handles damn well. Very, very nimble bike hai. I know. Who's walking by? Boss man from Norton. Do you want to say something?
I want to thank you for joining us.
Hey, see, this is the problem. Everyone's too nice. You gotta stop being so nice. You gotta say something mean.
Go faster.
Oh, that's right. That was the pinch point. He got it.
It was fantastic. Really
No, it was.
a pleasure to have you here with us. It
Absolutely.
was great to see you riding the bike.
I'm so excited about actually riding this on the roads of India. Very important question, actually. When it comes to the India market, is it an important market for you?
Absolutely.
Why?
Absolutely.
Why?
India is part of the family. We are part of the TVS group. I mean,
Correct.
TVS is India.
Right.
And we really, really want to have Norton be an important part of the Indian motorcycle community.
Right.
So with the Manx R, with the Atlas, we want to see these bikes on the road in India, and they're a really important part of what we're doing for the development. We actually have a lot of bikes running around in India right now doing testing.
Oh, wow.
Absolutely.
I need to find one. What's the price in India?
That I don't know. You have to speak.
You
to the
gotta
commercial guy.
tell me.
I'll tell you all the technical stuff. I can't tell you the price.
You know.
I might know, but I can't say.
What's the point? What's the point of being the first Indian here? Another thing जो मेरे को बहुत पसंद आई है, that is this 8-inch TFT because it is lovely and visual when you're going at high speeds. जब आप 200 के ऊपर जा रहे हो और यहाँ पे वो दिखता है ना, बड़ा मज़ा आता है यार. अंदर एकदम अच्छी सी फीलिंग आ जाती है. इसमें आपको 3 राइडिंग मोड्स मिल जाते हैं. You've got sport, rain, road, and you've got 2 track modes as well. इसके जो modes हैं, you can change them on the go. You don't have to get into different menus and look for all that shit. So I love that. It's clean, it's easy, and like today's day, बारिश हुई, फिर उसके बाद sun आ गया, तो dry हो गया, and you can, you know, if you're on the road, you can use that. I think it's very nice to have that. Only thing is it takes a while to fire up, but it's touch. इसका जो switch gear है, very, very elegant. Very, very luxe. You can see the effort. It's actually quite nice. और इसमें आपको सारे electronics मिल जाते हैं. I've put them here. You even get hill hold on this. आप अपने maps इस giant 8-inch के TFT पे mirror कर सकते हो. Otherwise, built-in आपको turn-by-turn navigation मिल जाएगा. That suspension, this is the top variant I have with me, is adjustable as you can see. This is electronically adjustable. इस वेरिएंट पे आपको manually adjustable suspension मिल जाएगी and पीछे आपको monoshock मिल जाता है which is also adjustable. आपको ये बाइक का लुक कैसे लगा? मैंने जब इसको पिक्चर्स में देखा था आइकमा में, I was like, I'm not too sure. But आज इसको चला के, इसको properly experience करके, the silver is really growing on me. Apart from the color, this beautiful tail. Yeah, that tail, dude, look at that. And that single-sided swing arm, just gorgeous. Okay, इसकी price की बात करते हैं अभी. So in the UK, the cost of this bike is about, if you convert it, 26 lakhs ex showroom. अभी इंडिया के लिए price अभी announce नहीं हुआ है. We will get to know in the coming few months. अभी तो हम लोग बस ride पे आए हैं. But for what you're getting, I think this is a brilliant deal. क्योंकि अगर आप competition को देखो, जैसे Ducati को अगर देखो, it is priced much higher. Yes, it's been doing like super bikes and big bikes for a very, very long time, and it's an established brand, and it's Italian, and we love it. But then, what you get for that amount of money versus what you get here, big difference. तो conclusion क्या है भाई? I love how the new Manx R rides and feels. It's premium, luxe, and really makes you feel very special. And maybe it's time to see colors other than red. See what I did there? Also, Norton के exclusive showrooms India में खुलेंगे. So that's pretty awesome for service and other things, if you're worried. अभी इंडिया में इसकी क्या pricing होगी? I genuinely feel कि अभी TVS की involvement के साथ this will be priced really nicely in India. आपको क्या लगता है इसका प्राइस क्या होना चाहिए? ज़रूर मुझे कमेंट्स में बताओ. And don't forget to subscribe to us here. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Share this video with a friend that may be looking for a bike, may not be looking for a bike, may be looking for a 26 lakh rupee motorcycle, may definitely not be looking for one, but wants to ogle at something hot and listen to something like this. Share this video.